Sales figure for the year. The following information is available for the year ended 31 December 20x6 for a trader who does not keep proper accounting records. Inventories at 1 January 20x6, $9,500. Inventories at 31 December 20x6, $11,250. Purchases, $159,250. Gross profit percentage on sales equals 40%. Based on this information, what was the trader's sales figure for the year? Answer: cost of sales, opening inventory $9,500. Purchases $159,250. Less closing inventory $11,250. Total $157,500. Margin equals sales minus cost divided by sale equals 40%. Sales equal 157,500 times 100 over 60 equals $262,500.